Recording. Okay, this thing's on. This thing's on. Okay. I'm gonna start my music as well. I know this is really unproductive, but okay, there we go. Yeah, I'm playing with my friend. Also, go check out my friend's sister's YouTube channel, Evie Marie. She's super cool. And I'm gonna be
capital E-V-I-E.
Mary. So, yeah.
A-R-I-E.
Yeah.
Capital Evie Marie.
Yeah.
Other YouTube channels out?
I don't know. I played Swarm SIMPulator a long time ago, but I stopped. So, I'm gonna be playing it again. I barely remember anything. Okay.
Okay.
The egg menu, which is the egg menu?
You suffer and flour and make the house.
Yeah.
And then
Basic B.
He has it on his Discord, so I think he'll probably copy the link and maybe put it in the description, right?
Yeah, I think so. Okay.
Thank you. Look at your feet. What the heck is that? What type of feet is that?
I don't know. I'm gonna go talk to Brown Bear. I think that's Brown Bear. Wait, no, Brown Bear is over there.
No, that's Black Bear.
Oh yeah, this is Black Bear. Okay, blah blah blah. I remember how to do this now at least. So, sunflower.
Over there. You see this starlight? Oh, it's inside of it.
Yeah.
And then there's New Bear.
Yeah. I'm just getting honey, pollen.
See, look at me. Ryan, get away from me. I'm gonna whack you.
I'll try and get away. Don't worry.
I'm gonna catch you.
No.
By the way, look at my gear, right? I need 3,500 capacity backpack and let me go to you.
Nice. My pollen's full. I think I'm gonna go talk to Black Bear and then empty it. Yeah. Ooh, 220.
On this channel, Ryan is gonna be making some Fortnite videos.
But not now. And don't worry, I'm also gonna be making Minecraft videos. Just not now, cause yeah, Minecraft, Fortnite, and Roblox videos, and some other videos. But for now, it's just Roblox, and then Fortnite, and then Minecraft.
I can only find like 2 diamonds when I'm playing.
Yeah.
I'm trying to get to the end, to the thing.
Yeah.
I can never find it. Portraits. Like I never found a portrait. The only time I found portraits was when I just gave up.
I'm not sure if they can hear you because you're extremely laggy. I can hear you. I can hear you. You're talking about like the end of diamonds and stuff, but I don't know if I can.
Yeah, I just can't find.
Okay, there it is. Yeah, like finding it's really hard because of the 1.16 update.
Yeah, I heard Dream was talking bad about the 1.16.
Yeah, Dream was talking bad because it's harder to find fortresses.
Can't find another fortress or something like that. And I remember how it's like, do you complain about the 1.16?
Yeah.
Another update, so, and
Let me go check.
so we can get another.
But this is still recording good. Oh, it sucks. It just stopped. Yeah. I'm not sure when to stop. I probably won't make this video too long. Yeah, this isn't gonna be very long. It's just gonna be a short part 1. I'm just gonna buy a bag. Yeah. I'm gonna go get a bigger bag. Then